He's the only one. He's too late.
No. I'm the mijo now.
You said what?
I'm the mijo. That's Poppy.
Remember he's the one who drives.
Yeah, that.
He's the boat driver.
Yo, we remember when your car was slow. You see how it changed? Now your car is fast, right? Okay, things change. Now he's fast, so he'll you up. We do it on the street. We do it on the street. We could do it here. Or there. What you want?
The tranny last. Well, that tranny
last.
My nigga, we go to the street. And then after I crack, I open the transfer you. So show you a stock.
He was gonna build it.
Oh yeah. I got some gears for you. That's cool. I need a fork because I'm about to blow that. You want to give it to you? Yeah, I'm gonna need that after I crack it. Alright? We're giving you what you want. You got a free chance. Take it.
Where's the race gonna happen?
I want him to drive, so I can take it. That's what let's do, right? If you beat us, I don't want to excuse. What you're gonna make us do is put a 72 on the and then after that, my nigga, no, we're racing, but I want him to drive so I can miss. He wants you, Rob. I don't want to excuse. You're missing gears. No. I don't miss gears. Poppy, jump on me. No, I want him.
If I drive, you know what the excuse is gonna be? What? That I can't drive. He needs to drive. He needs to drive. Poppy, you don't want me. My pow hurts.
I know he's driving with the short train, so we good. The last time was at Street Racing May say. Yeah, but you guys. Let's go. Nigga, you wanted to race for 500 and you didn't even want to race. No. My turbo hurts.
You let's go $500.
I just say no, he's not waking here.
You said your car was hurt. You said your car was hurt.
When we had the track.
Nobody.
Let's go to the street.
Bro,
we're here.
Bro, nobody said go to the street. You said what? My car's up. The turbo's messed up.
$100.
Wait, you said no. You said I'm gonna send you money on PayPal.
Why?
You said I'm gonna send you money on PayPal.
Trannies every day. You got some money in your pocket. I need some of that.
Come to Orlando. That's fine. 8 and then we race and you said cool.
You know my car right there runs hard, so that's why you guys bug up. No. Listen, we here right now.
Well, you guys did. You guys did.
What you run right now? How fast your car right now?
870.
870. So let's race right now. Right now the track. It's a 9-1 car. We race right now.
But I can't race with you at the track.
Why not? We'll make it work.
All right, let's do it then.
So that's it.
I'm not scared of this.
There's no excuses.
We're here to have fun. I want to have fun.
Losing is a part of life.
Yes. Kick something serious. Losing makes us work harder. So who's gonna drive?
He's gonna drive.
Yeah. I want you.
He's a Poppy.
I want you.
You want me? You gotta race cars like the Clutch Masters car. That's real pow. It hurts.
That's not your car.
But I'm a driver. They pay me to drive it, so that's my car. They pay me. They say, here, take this money and this gun, go kill niggas. I kill niggas like you.
That's what the car. The car is pretty nice. A lot of power.
Hurts, Poppy. I don't have to pay. They pay me, and the pow. Go ask, bro. The pow been handed out today. Go ask. Hurts. You want me? You gotta be faster. You'll get there one day.
So you driving the RSX?
I drive everything. You want it with that?
I don't think the RSX is going fast.
I'll f you up, but you still ain't catch the RSX yet. That shit run 871, 174. You ain't catch that yet.
I 175.
That's cute, my nigga. That's a RSX.
Should be a good.
The RSX, my man.
It's the sum of the hatch.
No, it don't. No. Way heavier than your cars. 100 pounds.
It's nothing. You mean, look at this big belly.
What do you mean big belly?
Yeah.
That is
200 pounds.
Regular.
That's it. We're fair.
You crazy? I weigh what? You know how much this big ass head weigh? You know how much is in this?
Like 40 pounds. It's full of That's right. It's full of That's alright. It's okay. You're scared. No, I'm not scared. I ain't never seen an 870 car. I'm scared of a 911 car. I just want to beat ass. I don't know with this car. I want to crack your ass. You. Bro. It's not easy, man, to beat me, bro. I'm sorry. It's not. You don't even give me the chance.
Listen, I tell you, don't nobody be Frustrate. Frustrate is the fastest ever. I seen this nigga whoop Jesus Christ out, bro. Nobody fucks with. I seen him part the Red Sea. Everybody, Frustrate come through like this. Everybody's like, oh. Nobody wanted with Frustrate. Frustrate is the god.
How fast on the list so far are you now?
What list? What list? The baker's list? Where they make rolls and donuts, nigga?
Boy, you guys don't want nothing. That's
the list is
right now. Hey, it's your dick over there. We was right there.
We don't do Yo, we don't do rolls.
My nigga.
We don't do rolls, Poppy.
What am I doing 500?
Yo, you know what we do? What rolls? Bacon, egg, and cheese. Lettuce, tomato, turkey, cheese. That's what we do with rolls. We don't race cars with rolls. No. That's for the happy facts. You just realized that. That's why you racing drag racing. This sport requires 2 balls. You gotta have both of these. You growing up.
I hope the tranny holding you.
The tranny I hope it lasts. They're probably not gonna last though, because it's stock. It's stock training. You usually get like what? 7 passes?
5 passes, you know.
Oh, it's already got 5 in it.
If a good driver, 2 or 3.
They got 5 in it.
5 in it? So it's done already.
It's done.
Yeah.
It's done.
You better take your chance while you can, man.
Hey, if you last year, I'm blocking the street, I don't want excuse.
I'm not making
No,
no
you're
making excuses.
you lost.
I'm telling you, you could get it on the street or to try it.
Yo, my man.
This guy is talking about
How many street races you race? How many street races you
A
race?
lot.
How many?
Maybe more than you.
Many more than me.
Yeah, maybe,
My
yeah.
man, I got more street racing than you got excuses, my man. Alright? I've been street racing since you've been in your tighty whities watching SpongeBob. You're talking to people that race. You better go and Google some and go look at the videos. I've been racing on 4 Bangers production when he had 150 followers. You're talking to like really big deals, bro. Alright? So save that. Your track record ain't nowhere near long enough. So that scared fly over here. We race cars that nobody races. And his MR2 spot and Honda's 5 cars on the street, we run them head up and beat them. Alright? Nitrous LS1 RX-7s, we run them head up with a nitrous car. Come on, fam. That scared don't fly over here. Out of here with that. Save that for them Florida boys, bro. We really do this, alright? Go ask anybody. Look, the kids know. You ain't Next generation. Don't be like Frustrate. Eat your Wheaties. Be strong. Come in. On. What you want? Now we gonna go win True Street. Show you how it's done while you on the trailer, nigga. Aha! That's how you talk. We so quiet now. Street car. Frustrate said alternator. What's that? Street car stuff, baby. Alright, we good.
You need to have excuse.
Yeah, we need to have excuses.
Of course.
Excuses why they're so awesome.
Alternator, a small turbo.
Nobody mentioned that. Nobody mentioned that. You came over here. You came over here. Point.
Wait.
Yo, how many motors you been through? How many motors you been through since the last time we seen you?
Huh?
How many motors you been through since the last time we seen you?
None. He's the best.
Trust me.
My man,
How many times you run?
motor.
How many times you run? You run? Never.
Never?
Never. You always broke.
Yeah, you're right. But when it comes out,
It comes out.
It comes out to win. That's what it does. It wins, like today. So when we out there racing, you park your ass in the stands, you pick up your pom-poms, nigga, you cheer hard.
I just don't want to slow down the turbo.
Alright?
You guys lucky, bro.
Anybody got cameras out here? Where them cameras at? Where's the car at? Is it on the pit? Is it ready to race? Is it getting fueled up? Cool. Where's fresh on the trailer? You didn't even qualify today, nigga. Stop it. You didn't even qualify. That means you were slower than 16 other big-headed niggas like you. You ain't
Yo, we go on the street daytime right now.
We're on the street right now on East Colonial in front of the cops. We see who big balls then.
I wear 9 until suspicion that hurts. This is smart.
No, you're gonna fix it for us. We'll pay you, then we take the money. You're the training guy. Good. We don't do transmissions over here.
Is that methanol?
It's Ignite Red, the best fuel on earth, Poppy. Okay. It's what you call burhead fuel. You can f it up and it won't hurt the motor.
Thank you. Teach me.
It's
What
safe,
fuel do you run?
safe fuel.
Pump 85.
Pumpy 85? That's why they're so slow. You need some real fuel, my nigga. We got some extra if you need some. Pick up 100 horsepower. Nah, it's all love. It's talking. I respect Frustrate. I talk a lot about him, but he's good. Frustrate's a good guy.
I think we're never gonna race.
He's a good guy. We probably never race. Our mouths are too quick, you know?
Wait, can you leave a message for Mr. Gringo with the Integra?
Oh, Gringo, you don't want none of that guy. I met him in person. Mira, his penis is down here. You don't want none of him.
I think he's on the live.
Forever, bro. You won't be able to walk straight for a week. You'll be like this. F***ing Gringo ain't Gringo. He's like from DR or some.
My car is out of control.
You don't want that, Bobby.
I don't want that.
That nigga goes 200 miles an hour, bro.
Yeah, I know.
What'd you go?
Okay.
170. You don't want that.
The doubles is trying to get 200 miles per hour.
Hey, listen, bro. It hit 200 miles an hour. You know how much street is out there that you've been racing on? You ain't never been that close.
Of course, it's drove 50. If I would have had a 50, I would go 220 maybe.
Yo, is this the same guy that's been making excuses that we make excuses? Now you making excuses? If you had a 5th gear? Nigga, if I had the lotto numbers right, I'd be rich. If I had. that if I had. That's the one that goes 200 miles an hour with the ETS Integra. ETS, right? I met him at World Cup, bro. You see his pants, I'm like, damn, bro, I don't want none of that. I'm shit big, bro. I'm telling you, you don't want that. You don't want that. You don't want that. He's real poppy.
In my race on the 4 gears, of course I don't want that. I'm a stupid. I might run on the street maybe. I'm beat his house, the same I'm gonna do with you.
Alright, we're done.
I'm gonna see you racing.